Hi guys, D900Man here from migratiphone.com, and we're going to show you how to get a whole list of errors and solutions whenever a problem occurs in iTunes, Windows or HTTP. And this is thanks to a new Siri application called Error-O-Pedia for Siri. Now this is a chatbot extension, so you're going to have AssistantExtensions installed, and as you can see it is a paid application. So let's come out of here and boot up Siri. Now because this is a chatbot extension within AssistantExtensions, you're going to have to say let's chat like this. Let's chat.
Yep, just a moment please until I load my brain. Okay, I am ready to stop chatting. Just say goodbye.
iTunes error 13019.
Seems to be an issue with syncing media to the device. It only seems to happen on jailbroken devices. Create new user. Try syncing with new users library. If that fails, restore. If it doesn't fail, then something on your iTunes library is causing the error. In iOS 3.0 to 3.1.0, this was a known bug related to the sync process accessing iTunes renamed voice memos.
iTunes error 3194.
Occurs when trying to install an old firmware and Apple's server disallows the installation. The only solution is to have SSH backup and modify the host's file to point to SourceCity server where they are backed up, or localhost if you have it yourself.
So let's have a look at some HTTP errors now. HTTP error 503.
Thanks for that web address.
So as you can see there, even though that is a proper HTTP error, it doesn't have them all in its brain. And this is something that the developer is working on. However, if I say HTTP error 403,
the request was a legal request, but the server is refusing to respond to it. Unlike a 401 unauthorized response, authenticating will make no difference.
it had that one in there. So let's try some Windows errors. Windows error 64.
Windows iced mul, Linux iced marked.
Windows error 6.
Windows iced mul, Linux iced marked.
So as you can tell, it works quite well with both iTunes errors and also HTTP errors, but I haven't got anywhere with window error at all. It just keeps on giving that German saying. So it's a really good Cydia tweak if you are experiencing lots of errors or you need help with iTunes errors. You can just pull them up straight away and it gives you an answer, and the great thing about it is it also gives you a possible solution. So thanks very much for watching. This has been our review of Error-O-Pedia for Siri. Please remember that you do need to tell it to start chatting by using the Let's Chat command if you have AssistantExtensions installed. So once again, thanks very much for watching, and we will catch you in the next one.